my name is Finny and welcome to Human Construction Site. This game was brought to my attention by Game Master1. It looked interesting from what I saw on itch, so I'm going to jump into it. So without much further ado. Human Construction Site. Shall we begin? Where am I? My head hurts. How did I get here? I can't remember anything. And what is that smell? It's so dense and wet, it's hard to breathe. My shoulders are bruised. There's a door. The air in this room is so gross. I need to get out. Is this blood? It's still warm. My head gets dizzy whenever I try to remember something. All I know is that I need to get out of here. Door is locked. I'm trapped here. There's gotta be a way out. Arrow keys to move, hold shift. Okay, gotcha. It's a vent. Lukewarm air breathes through it. It's too high up, and it probably wouldn't fit my body. It's a slot here, just big enough to fit my hand. Put your hand in the slot. I need to pull my hand out. It's stuck. No, something's coming up my body. What? That's how you save the game? That's brutal. I'm fine. What was that? Wow, okay. I've never done a game where it hurts you to save. Is there like something else in here somewhere? Alright. Input complete. Beginning process. Anonymous message received. Don't trust anyone. I'll help you. Okay. Kind of gate unlocked. Message cut due to loss of 81st cable signal. Someone trying to help me get out. Let me do the weird save and get the heck out of here. Okay. There is an eerie box blocking the doorway. Open it? Sure. Touching it fills you with a feeling of dread. Are you sure you want to open it? Sure. You open the flaps. There's a clay face inside. There's no eyes. It's creepy, but it seems familiar. Did I make this? Nah. Sure, I'd be able to do better than this mess. The surface of the clay face starts, pulsing like it's filled with a dozen worms. You drop the face. Ow! Millions of tiny wires shoot up out of the face, piercing your hands. What the heck? You feel burning and crawling sensation under your skin. My arms. Oh no! Ooh. I feel like I'm playing Look Outside again. You died. Okay. Well, note to self, don't open the creepy box. You don't want to be doing that again. No. Move the box aside, yes. Out of the way, box. I wish I didn't have eyes. Then I'd be happy. Moku. Moku? I feel like I've heard that name before. Why does everything feel weirdly familiar? Don't know why, but I don't want to remember. I'm starting to feel sick. Oh dear. What was that? The air feels damp. Am I underground? Floor and walls are plain stone. I hope this isn't jail. Now I want to explain the weird tree thing I was inside though. There's a note here. Turn the monitor on in the main room. I will explain everything and help you out. Help you get out. Don't trust anyone. Jay, this is the same person who opened the door. What do they mean, don't trust anyone? Are there other people here? I like how it's don't trust anyone, and then it's, you know, I guess there isn't like a pause. Okay. There's a don't trust anyone, but hey, trust me, I'll help. Do you like ladybugs? Yeah, actually I do. They're harmless. That I know of anyway. Door is locked. Is this the monitor the note mentioned? The TV switch is covered in tiny ladybugs. Sure. Ow! The ladybug bit me! Wait. Are those teeth? What's with the bugs here? I'll need to find a way to get rid of them to turn this monitor on. Feed us! Huh? Okay, you want food? Must have been... Someone must have been in a hurry. Alright, what am I supposed to feed you? What if I look at the skelly? Nothing? Here, maybe? Our sacrifices will be redempted by our achievements. Thank you for your service. Looks like the exit, but it's barricaded with walls collapsed. Does that mean no one's using this place? The gate isn't covered in dust though, so someone must have closed it recently. Well. I'll be back, I guess, once I find something to feed the ladybugs. Ladybug, ladybug, I love you. Ah, what's this? Something shiny behind the bars. Is it a key? Might be able to reach it. Put your arm in the bars. Almost there. Ah. Oi! What is that? Crappy meat? Ow! What are you doing? Let me go! Is this one off too? Ah, maybe your head won't be as bad. Those eyes look like they might have something nice inside. What are you? No. Can you let go of my arm? Ah, well, meat is meat, but I can if you get me something better. Ow, don't touch it. What do you want? Your eye. Give me your eye. I'm not tasty. How do you know? Do you eat yourself too? No, that I think of it. You're quite small, aren't you? And that white shirt. You're not the one guy that locked me in, are you? I'll bite those big eyes out of your head if you do. Hey, I'm stuck here too. Oh, sorry about that. Can you get rid of these bars? I've tried convincing them to get out of my way, but it won't work. I need to get out and find a fork. There are some bugs that crawled into my ears and I was asleep. Now they are eating my brain and multiplying in my head. So I need a fork to shovel them out. So it said on this note I found here, there's a key with it too. Want it? Before you can say anything, he jams the key down your pocket. Except you have no pockets, so it jams it down your pants. Obtained comp lab key. Well, I'll leave it to you. There's man-eating bugs in the room behind me, so hurry up. Not that I mind, but if I get too bored, I'll let them out. Okay. I think I'm going to die of boredom. Well, what? Metal bars, is there something dangerous on the other side? Or is it keeping me from getting out? I don't want to stay here any longer. The halls are narrow and it feels like the walls are closing in. Please enjoy the selected specimens on display. Okay. So what does this go to? Does this go to this? Nope. Come on. I came on his way. Alright, here we are. What was that? Oh crap. It's that thing. Over here, you weird crawly do. Whatever. Oh crap. Oh crap. Am I supposed to lure him out or something? Hey bud, over here. What was that just now? A large insect? Alright. Where are you, bud? Where'd it go? It's gone. I'm not complaining. Don't like the sound of that. Did I just do a thing? It makes me nervous being in here. I don't know where that thing is. If it's gonna like come out right as I get to the door or something. Okay, it's not out here. Feed-ash. Several dates in red. I would love to feed you, but I don't know what to feed you with. Did I free this guy? I did. Hey pal. He's asleep. What did I do all that for? Check his hands. He's holding something in both hands. But he doesn't wake up. Unwrap his scarred hands carefully. Tiny piece of charcoal and a bunch of crumpled notes. The writing's horrible. You said stay away from that guy. He's dangerous. Are you trapped here too? Who are you? And yeah, I think so. Do you know anything about this place? No, Who's making all the noise? I can't stay here with that guy. Here's the key to my room. Obtained Eva's key. Stay safe. See you around. Bye. You came. I'm so glad to see you're all right. Do you know anything about this place? And who are you? I was about to ask you the same. I woke up in this room and I haven't been able to remember anything except two names. Eva and Merrick. I'm feeling Eva's my name, but whenever I try to recall the other one, I get a sharp pain in my head. And I've been trying to find a way out, but everything's barricaded. Do you remember your name? No, I found a note with the name Moku on it, though. Feels familiar, but I'm not sure if it's my name. I'll call you that until you remember then. It feels familiar, that's a good sign. It feels familiar, but I'm not sure if it's my name. Have you seen the green texted note? No, I haven't. Well, it says someone can help us if we turn on the monitor. Really? I'm starting to feel a bit of hope. Thank you. Well, Eve, I'm not quite sure. There's so many plants. Got a nice bathroom though. Clear water gently floats in it. Sinks has no mirrors. Guess you can see your reflection in the windows, so it's not needed. Why does it continue to the bathroom? Creepy. I wonder when the last time I used the bathroom. Can't remember. It's a one-way mirror lined against the wall. You can't see anything from this side. Oh, I could save the game. It's the same tree as the one I woke up in. Here I go, sticking my hand in there. Alright. So what next? This room seems so much more well kept than the others. Especially compared to the one I woke up in. Hey, creepy guy. You. Head's dizzy. Gonna rest. Okay. Hey, Eve. The monitor's covered in ladybugs. That's interesting. Well, I know they like to eat aphids. There's some on the pot plants around here. Oh, that reminds me, I found this. You might be able to use it to carry the aphids. Glass test tube. Oh, thanks, Eve. Well, let's see. Which one of these has aphids on them? Here we go. Yes. Alright, now we're going to feed this to our ladybug overlord and see if that could help with the monitor. Yo, monitoy! Hopefully these ladybugs eat something other than fingers. Yes. Part out the aphids. Ladybugs scatter towards the ground and viciously start feeding. I heard some noise. Wow, you made the computer work. Can you hear me? This is Jay. I'm guessing you saw the messages. I unfortunately can't seem to get the camera to connect, but I can see you from this side. Where are the others? Is he talking about the white-haired guy? Nonetheless, I'm glad to see you're alright. I'm sure you have many questions, but I won't be able to answer all of them, as I am on the run. But to put it simply, you are in an organ farm. A heartless scientist by the name of 8 has been using test subjects to harvest and sell their organs. I reported her horrendous acts as soon as I found out about this underground facility. Scientists all scattered and ran as soon as I reported them, leaving things behind and blocking off the entrances, so no one could be able to prove their crimes. This place is deep underground and it will be hard to get out, but there is a way. I found 2 escape pods still left in one of the emergency routes. However, the escape pods are encrypted and must need a USB key to be unlocked. 2 USBs will create this key. USBs are very important and contain all the data this facility has collected, which can use to prove their crimes and set you free. I am not sure how many of you are left, but consider fighting over the escape pods. This factory is incredibly dangerous right now. If you all don't work together, not a single person can escape. What do you mean this factory is dangerous right now? Why are you in the organ farm? And you said there's others and only 2 escape pods. Are you telling us to abandon those people? Chances of 2 people making it to escape pod are thin. Many researchers are trying to escape in the factory, lost their lives, and joined the horde. You must work together, even to just deliver the USBs to me. We must make this company pay for their crimes. Horde? What? I'm sorry. I really hope at least you can escape. But there's a limit on what I can do from here. I'll try to unlock the barricades. Hopefully you can find a key, and which will let you into the factory. From there, you can get to the escape route. This is the best I can do. Please do your best to survive and find those USB keys. We can't go to exit knowing to leave people behind. There's got to be another way. My sweet child, I'm sorry. I need to go soon. I hear footsteps. Just remember, you'll need to use 2 USB keys to operate the escape pods. Ah, and one behind all this. 8 might still be in the facility. She's dangerous and quite the manipulator, so be wary of her. Wait, you! They're coming. I must go now. I wish you the best. Good luck. Okay. Door's locked. Before we go any further, I gotta save it and make sure. Alright. So I don't really feel like going through all that again. Alright, Eve. I'll be right. Eve? Eve, where'd you go? He said he was gonna undo the barricades, but... Hey dude, so you need the USB to escape. I don't want to go back, but I'll show you the way. Follow me. Don't make me wait. Whoa. Okay. Huh. This must look like a surveillance area. Are you sure the USB's here? It's not here, but it's under. Here. Just like where I was. What are you doing? You know, being in this room pisses me off. Oh, that reminds me. There's a knife somewhere in this room. I remember where it is. Huh? It should have been here. Where'd it go? This all feels creepy. I'm using it to escape, though. The game was to wait until I found my knife. Don't break the rules. This isn't fun for you. I know. I'll share the bugs in my head with you. Feels tinglier and great. That'll put a smile on your face. No. Oops. Family photo. Why? One of the doors are open. Found a fork. The knife glitters in his hands. My brain's bubbling. My head's splitting apart. But I think this will make me feel better. You told me you wanted a fork before. Want to trade? Okay. Trade the fork for the knife. Stab him with the knife? Nah. Follow me. There's a corridor down here. Keep going and you'll get somewhere. This is as far as I'll go though. The things down there. What kind of things? Is there a way I could like equip the knife I have accrued? You know, for security reasons. I don't like this corridor. Too many twists and turns. Too dark to see, but it looks like this similar to the tree I saw before. But bigger, and it's drenched in red. Okay. Go down. Well, humph. That did absolutely nothing. Oh, there's more. More to go here. Overview log. Show potential in some specters and have placed the preservation cylinders. The rest of the team's batch have been sent to the factory for disposal. Okay. Scattered glass and blood everywhere. There's a note. Can't believe this idiot actually would eat Caroline's hand along with the backup USB. We told the staff to be as cautious as possible around subject 213, but it's uncontrollable. Anyway, surgery was a success. I'll have the extracted USB in this envelope here to be delivered to. No ends abruptly scratched down with a blood splatter. Contained important USB 1. This must be one of the USBs Jay mentioned. Mamma mia! What is that sound? I have a bad feeling. Get away from me! I don't like you, and you don't like me, and we are not a happy family. Hey, come here. Doggone it. You can't say, hey, come here, and then have the thing kill me. Oops, sorry, dude. Anyway. I didn't mean to do that. And now I'm probably gonna regret that. Twas an accident, my good man. Twas an accident. But now he won't be here to distract me. He won't be like, oh, hey, come here. Over here. Never mind, he is here. Crap, I made the same mistake. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Hey, dude, I'm sorry I stabbed you, man. Where'd he go? Pot is broken and there's some slimy blood. Alright. I'm gonna save it, but I'm gonna save it in a different slot because I didn't mean to stab him. That was a mistake. The monitor made a sound. This is Jay. Saw you through the cameras. It's impressive you already found the first USB. Great work. I've unlocked a barricade to the west wing. There you may get a key to get the factory there. Sweet. Why didn't you just unlock this before, man? Who are you? Who are you? Are you not gonna escape? Escape from here? This is my home. Are you one of the scientists working here? No, all subjects have white uniforms and personnel wear black. You can't be telling me you're okay with having your organs harvested. I sold myself here. I don't need myself anymore, so I figured I'd make my existence useful. But this place is just got shut down. You're just gonna stay here and die? Told you I don't need myself anymore. I can't think of a better alternative to spending the last hours reading here. And it's not like going outside will make us happy. What do you mean? Never mind. Why are you so sad? That was an unexpected question. I had a young sister who needed a lung. We didn't have any money, so I sold myself here. Just kidding. I'm not such an admirable person. Well, like I said, it's just because I don't like myself. If I stay here, I don't need to be responsible for over myself. And what is it? Not sure if I should tell you this. And I think you might have noticed, but our bodies are different now. The air is specifically filtered here. My lungs won't work anymore if I step outside this room. I'm sorry. I don't mind. Okay, well, nice talking with you. You don't have anything here like an SUV or whatever, right? Okay. Oh. Your reflection, familiar and unfamiliar at the same time. The window's fake, there's light behind it. You haven't seen another girl named Eve, have you? She like disappeared. There's a save thing here, awesome. Okay. What? Oh, you can't have a save thing and have it clogged. Come on, game, that's not funny. Alright, cool. I'm going to explore just a little bit more. Creepy bathroom. Sink in a mirror. Aren't I a charming one? Why is there a pillar here? Why, to simply bar the way, my dear. We can't have you walking around and slot is jammed. Help! Someone please! I'm gonna die here. I'm coming. Oh, finally! My prayers have been answered. What happened? Are you okay? I was trapped here and left to die, then a giant, you look like a test subject, so I guess it's okay to tell you. You won't try to kill me, will you? Do I look like I want to? Nah, you're like half my height. I guess I was paranoid. Well, to shorten things up, I was an intern here and I found out too much. Well, like this company expected me to be okay with everything that was going on. I was in the insect development wing, but got curious and sneaked into the main building. I knew this place was dedicated to making the perfect human, but didn't think we'd abandon our humanity to do that. The perfect human. I thought this place was an organ farm. Yeah, that's what I mean with abandoning the humanity. There was so many bodies, not even bodies, mutated beyond a point they hardly resemble animals. And they treated me like I was the weird one for getting freaked out seeing dead people running down a conveyor belt. And they locked me in this filtration room, saying it seems my views don't seem to align with the company or whatever. They were planning to keep me here till they figured out what to do with me, but then there was a breach. Not sure what happened, just heard screams saying that explosions and people running to escape. I was stuck here, waiting to die till you showed up. Sorry, long talk. I'd like to get out now. Wait, I still don't understand. I'll explain all the details when I get out. This place isn't exactly safe, you see. Sure, why not? It's locked. Ah, I guess I can't be open from that side. Maybe there's another way out. Could you look around, please? What? Did the floor just fall? Damn it. Looks like we're in a worse situation than I thought. The gap's too wide. I can't jump to the other side. Those noises I was hearing. I hope there aren't any monsters under us. No! It's a monster. It's coming. Oh. I just heard a loud noise. Moku, are you okay? Hey lady, can you help us out here? Who are you? Ah, I'm just an intern that got caught from snooping around. So you work for this place. How can we trust you? Moku, do you need help? No, I'm good. Help! Don't worry, hang in there. I'll try to find something to use to climb out. We'll be back as soon as I find something. Guess it's all in her hands now. Is she your friend? Yes. What's that sound? It's coming from underneath us. Sticking into my stomach. It tore through the floor. Please, not like this. Well, what is that thing? It's eating him. It's gonna eat me. Oh my god! They're coming from beneath. There's nowhere to run. Maybe there's some meat eating aphids in my bag somewhere. Right. We might be able to eat the monsters. But there aren't enough. It's coming. I have to hurry. Alright. Ah, that's it. Obtain the test tube. Now if you somehow lure these freaks into the aphids. When at a suitable location, press enter to place veil. Yes. Crap. Yeah, shrivel. Did it work? Nice, the aphids are eating it. Inside it shouldn't move again. Careful. There's another one. Ah. I don't think I have another one, do I? Another vial? Over here. Ha ha ha, sucker. Is there any more of them? Bullseye. More food for the cuties. The squeeze is a little tighter. Am I gonna die like this? I've never had a date or hamburger. Are you dead? Now what? Turn into one giant mound. It's crawling with bugs. Obtained flesh mound. What? Gross. What am I supposed to do with that? Yeah. I thought I'd die. Didn't think the aphids would multiply enough to stop that thing. That's some quick thinking from you. Thanks. I should treat my wounds so I don't get infected. Could you carry me to the bag? Sure, why not? Thank you. I owe you my life, man. Ugh. Why do you weigh so much? Ah, there should be a medical kit. There. Ugh, hurts. My shirt is drenched. And now, just the bandages. I'm impressed you're doing this while climbing onto me. It's warm. Something's coming. I found a small ladder. Wait, what is that thing? Are you alright? You're both covered in blood. Somehow. Yo. Is this a party? Huh? How is he still not dead? Half my brain's gone. I feel great. Just hungry. I need something to fill this space. Who are these guys? Haven't seen them before. This big guy in the back just like me. Think I'll get along well. You mean that monster? I feel like I hurt that man. It's covered in blood. We have to save them. Alfred wouldn't do that. Even if he does, he's just hungry. Who could blame him? How dare you call him a monster when you're a dirty thief? Stay away. Oh no, I gotta do something. Stay away from her. Don't tell me what to do. Ah, my leg. Stay right there and I'll take what you've stolen, thief. What are you talking about? Wait. That black shirt. You're one of them. I'll rip your brains out. Hurry. I laid out a plank. Let's get out of here. I said hurry. I'm going as fast as I can. I kicked the plank down. He still might find a way to get out there. We've got to hurry. The thief's right. No way I'm letting the 3-course meal escape. 43 seconds to get out of here. Feeling this one down. Gotta find another way. Hurry! We can block the exits. We get in. Whoa! What the? Okay, that's a ways away. I don't feel like going all the way back and doing all that again. Yeah, okay, I'm done. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was Human Construction Site. Yeah, this is an interesting game. I liked it. Except, I don't like doing that whole bit again. That's kind of annoying. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was brought to my attention by Game Master1. So thank you for bringing this to my attention. And until next time, stay foxy, everyone.